Welcome to our room at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. This is one of Disney's deluxe resorts, a sister resort to the Beach Club Resort. And it's lovely. The first thing you're going to notice is it's bright and there are no carpets. I hate carpets in a hotel room. They just seem dirty. There is a nice little drawer for some amenities, a refrigerator, and your Keurig so that you can have your Java in the morning. You're gonna need that jolt. The closet space, it's a little funky, not gonna lie. My suitcase couldn't go in here because the floor is slanted and it would roll off and probably kill someone. But there is a ton of closet space, so you'll be able to fit everything in here. Just ignore that witchcraft looking device. It's an ironing board. You don't use it at home. You're not going to use it on vacation. The room itself is bright. It's light. The best thing about it, especially coming from a mom with 3 kids, this room accommodates 5 people. So if you have a bigger family, you can put more people in here than a regular resort room. There are 2 big queen size beds, a fold out sofa that's super comfortable and not super short, so a grown up could almost fit on here. There's a little desk. Don't worry about work. You're at Disney. Enjoy your family. The lovely little patio would be awesome if it wasn't 110 degrees, but it's Florida. It's August. It is what it is. The bathroom is ideal for a larger family. It's split so that you can have someone doing a shower and someone on the other side doing their makeup, their hair, or brushing their teeth. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of Disney's Yacht Club Resort. I hope you hit the subscribe button. We hope to see you soon.